My name is Firefighter Paul and I'm on call. So if you hear the bells or my pager goes off, I've got to skedaddle because I've got a fire call. So what are we going to make on Glue and Make today? We're going to make this fantastic dragon. And this dragon is from the story No Dragons for Tea, which you can find on the dwfire.org.uk website. And look, it even breathes a little bit of fire. So what are we going to need to make this dragon? So you're going to need some paper. First off, you need some green paper and you need some red paper. If you haven't got this, get a piece of white paper and just colour them in. Then you need some little bits of white paper. You also need a black marker and a pencil, a pair of scissors, and remember these can be sharp, so always ask a grown-up. And it wouldn't be Glue and Make without some glue. So let's get cracking. He's a lot of fun, isn't he? And remember, he's part of a story which is called No Dragons for Tea. And you can see that if you go to dwfire.org.uk, go to the educational section and it will be there. Now, I've had a busy day, not only fighting fires, but I've also made a sign for Wareham Fire Station. Would you like to see what I did? That sign was a lot of fun to make, and now it's outside Wareham Fire Station. Now, can you remember the C-19 mini superheroes? You can. And can you remember what Wilma asked? Wilma asked you to wash your hands. And remember, you need to wash your hands often and for 20 seconds. Now, 20 seconds is like saying the alphabet or singing Happy Birthday twice. Or you could learn the NHS Wash Your Hands song. Well, I really enjoyed making my dragon, and remember, keep sending the photos in so I can see how your makes are going. Until the next time, remember, keep washing those hands. See you later.